Here's how to fix your iPhone front camera if it's not working. Now, let's first just head into the settings here on your phone, and we'll just scroll down until you find the privacy and security option towards the very bottom. Tap on that. And now you can see again, if I scroll down, is the camera option. So tap on camera here. And this is every app that you have granted access to your camera. Now, if you're in a specific app and the camera's not working, you can basically check to see if it's on here. For instance, if I'm trying to use it on Discord, I need to make sure it's toggled on to give access to the camera on here. Now, after we've done that, the next thing we can check is opening up the camera app itself and turning this around. Now, you want to check to see if there's an issue with an app using the front camera or if there's an issue with the camera app itself. Now, if it's just an app, then I would recommend tapping and holding. And then you can hit remove and delete the app and just reinstall it. A lot of times that fixes the issue. However, if it's the camera itself, so no apps, even the camera doesn't work for that front-facing selfie, you can always go back into settings here, and we'll do a couple of things. Let's go to the very beginning, and we'll tap on General, and then Software Update. So just update to the latest version. Again, a lot of times bugs and glitches on your iPhone are fixed with these software updates. So update to the latest version. You can see it's currently 18.2.1. After you've done that, let's go back out here, still in the General section, scroll to the bottom and hit the shutdown button. So again, a lot of times fixes basically are just shutting down your phone and rebooting your phone. It could have been up and running for days or weeks without a proper reset. So just shut down your phone and restart it. And again, a lot of times that fixes that front camera if it's not working. If you're still having issues and it's not working on here, as well as any other apps, then I would recommend taking it into an Apple store because there could be an issue with the physical camera at the very front. They can always plug it in and run some diagnostics, see if there's a physical issue with that camera and help you repair it or replace it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.